Okay, so in this video, I am going to walk through how to use SPSS to see if there's a difference in district enrollment between regions 1, 2, and 5. So I'm going to use a one-way ANOVA and assume that the usual assumptions for ANOVA are already met. So I've opened my data set and the statewide school district data set. And now I just want to make sure I filter my data so that I'm only comparing 3 regions, 1, 2, and 5. So I'm going to go to data and then select cases. And I need to select if condition is satisfied. And then I'm going to add region 1 or region 2 or region 5. And then I can just click continue and okay. And this is just going to make sure that SPS only looks at the data that I care about. And then I'm ready to run the ANOVA. So I'm going to go to Analyze, Compare Means and Proportions, and then One-Way ANOVA. So I need to move enrollment to my dependent variable list. And then region will go in my factor box. And then I just click OK. And this is going to show me my results. So in the ANOVA table, I'm looking at the significance value here. That's the p-value, and it's 0.055. It's just a little higher than the usual 0.05 cutoff. So this just basically tells me I don't have enough evidence to say that there's a statistically significant difference in enrollment between the 3 regions. So the numbers might look a little different, but based on the test, those differences could just be random. They may not be meaningful differences. And because the ANOVA wasn't significant, I don't need to run a post hoc test like Tukey, because that would only be helpful if I found a significant difference and I wanted to dig into which groups are different from each other. So that's it. I filtered the data, ran the ANOVA, and since the p-value was not significant, then there's no need to run a post hoc. So that's how I would run an ANOVA for these 3 regions.